Hello and welcome back to Colonel Outdoors. Just got a how-to video here. If you've downloaded a GPX file and you want navigation, this is how you access it. So on your Epix or Fenix, you go to Start Exercise and you look for Navigate, which is normally right at the top or right at the bottom, but navigate there. And courses is what you want. Slide down or use the left up and down buttons to do courses. My Camino Francais is backwards, so you can choose to do it forwards or do course in reverse, so there and back. And you press that, and this is in real time. This isn't sped up, and that is as you saw, a 467-mile walk. I downloaded the GPX file. If you're after one, drop me a message. I can send it to you. I've put it on the watch, and I've used the first part of the Camino Trail as a turn-by-turn navigation. Generally it's well signposted, but occasionally you get to places where you just need to look, and that's how you've got it. Obviously that's where I am now in Cornwall, thus Colonel Outdoors, but you've got it there, and then you just simply press go and it will find where you are and it will navigate you. It will show you the route, and what is phenomenal, around the ring, around the outside, it will have a little arrow showing which way you should be going. So if you're off course, it will tell you. So that's how you access a course. If you want to know how to put a course on your watch, drop me a message and I will try and do another video. But that's on my Garmin Epix Pro Gen 2 51mm Sapphire. Thank you for watching. Please like, please subscribe. I would appreciate it.